Welcome to Veda. Do you know why NASA, ISRO spends so much on space travel and research? Do you know there are similarities between human minds and outer space? Want to know some crazy facts about man or human body? Do you know how it feels like a schizophrenic or bipolar person? There are some mind-boggling facts about Large Hadron Collider. Do you ever wondered how social media platforms manage so much crowd? We are gonna discuss about physics, chemistry, biology, psychology, philosophy, and nearly everything that fascinates you. Also, coming up some real life talks with scientists, psychologists, doctors, and many more. Do like, subscribe, and press the bell icon to get notified. Thank you.